How to remove account from Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can remove account from Messenger. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, locate your Messenger app and then open it up. After you do that, you should be on your Messenger. Now what you'll need to do is head over to your menu. So tap on the bottom right corner and you should be on your menu. Now keep in mind that you will need to be logged into the account which you want to keep and not the one that you want to remove. So now what you'll have to do is tap on the switch profile option that you'll find at the top. Tap on that, and after you tap on that, you will then see the other Facebook accounts on your Messenger device. All you have to do is swipe left to that very account, and after you swipe left for that, you'll find the delete button. Simply tap on the delete button. So after you log out from the Facebook as well, you will then be able to remove this account from Messenger. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you remove account from Messenger. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.